Prays real hard at the edge of the bed, hands clasped tight, but his phone's still lit. Ask God to save him from the life he's in, but won't let go of the things he won't quit. Says, Lord, I'm tired, I'm ready to change, and pours another drink to numb the pain. Wants mercy loud, wants grace right now, keeps him close like smokes in his jacket pocket. He talks to heaven like heaven's death, but truth hits hardest when you face yourself. This is for the man on his knees at night, begging God to fix his broken life. Still defending habits that drag him down, calling change freedom, wearing them proud. You can shout amen, you can beg and plead, but prayer don't work without sweat and bleeding. Faith without discipline changes nothing, like begging for clean hands won't set the bottle down. He says, I trust you with crossed fingers tight, looks for a sign but avoids the fight. Knows what's killing him name by name, still calls it comfort, still calls it sane. Reads the verse, skips the part that stains, wants new beginnings without changing things, wants open roads without taking steps, checks the sky but won't step off the porch. Grace ain't a license, it's a hand held out, but you gotta drop on your collection now. This is for the man on his knees at night, begging God to fix his broken life. Still defending habits that drag him down, calling chains free, wearing them proud. You can shout amen, you can beg and plead, but play don't work without sweat and bleeding. Faith without discipline changes nothing, like shouting for help with the engine still running. God don't need you perfect, just honest and brave. Put the bottle down, dig yourself out the grave. Miracles move when you drop what you're holding. He'll meet you halfway, but you gotta start moving. So this is for the man